Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Jis HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then type in Jis HR login in the search box and then press enter. Now from the search results, click on the first link which says HR login for JIS group. Once you click on this link, you will be taken into the HR login page right away. Now, within the username box, type in the username that you used while signing up for your account, and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the validate button, and you will be logged into your account on JIS HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot my password underneath the validate button, and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account with JIS Group. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.